Now for the base, the hind leg of the frog, we are going to take this edge and fold it up to the middle. Taking this edge, we are going to fold it like this so that it meets up with the center crease. Now here, the paper may become quite thick. Just be persistent and fold that edge in. Fold this edge into the center as well. Now for this square, we are going to do a kind of a windmill fold, windmill base, by folding this edge up to the center. And folding this triangle back down to get a guiding crease for our windmill base. Fold this triangle down like this for our guiding crease. Open it back up this way, and taking these triangles that we just made, we are going to do a kind of a windmill base fold by pinching out these triangles and then flatten them down. Fold these triangles back down, fold them back down, and then fold them at an angle out. Fold this at an angle out. Now you have the hind legs of your frog. Now fold the frog completely in half, like this, and then do a pleat fold with the bottom. And here the paper will be thick, but that's what helps the frog jump. Fold it back down so that this edge is aligned with the bottom edge. And you have your completed frog. Turn it over and watch it jump.